Hi friends, this is a short video where I will show you my new addition to my car, AMG Camshafts. You've seen the Kliman boxes, but I have not Kliman camshafts inside. Inside are AMG cams. Now I will open them and show you what I have got from Germany 2 days ago. So here we are, my friends. Here you can see I have removed the camshaft from boxes and they look fantastic. They are not Kliman camshafts, they are AMG, pure AMG camshafts from SLK55 AMG engine, naturally aspirated engine. That engine was called by Mercedes EVO version. That means that it has a little aggressive RPMs. It means itself that this engine RPMs are higher compared to the standard W210 E55 or W208 SLK55 engines, but my mechanic and other guys have confirmed that these camshafts will bolt on to my M113 V8 engine, and that's why I bought them. I bought them from Germany from a very good guy, which helped me a lot to see and notice some differences and some elements, how the camshafts are built and what are the main options about them. That guy knows very big information compared to me about the camshafts, and he shared that to me, and big respect from me to him. Also, when I got this first and saw, I was surprised that they look like brand new, no scratches, no any defects. We have only one defect on this camshaft, on the shaft itself, but it will not affect on the working process. Also, you can see here the AMG part number engraved on the camshaft, and I like it very much because I know some AMG cams don't come with the engraved AMG markings, but in this situation I was lucky. Here you can see how it is machined, and it simply looks perfect. What about the installation? As I know and as some of my mechanic friends argued, this is bolt-on modification, so let's remove my stock cams and install these ones. I am not trying to get some very huge horsepower from my engine. It is impossible with this mode, but I think that engine here, by the way, is a scratch, but I think that the engine will sound and operate more aggressively with these camshafts. At first, I am not going to refresh ECU or remap it. I will try to install these cams and work with stock ECU SECU program or stock algorithm, and then let's see what will be the final result. Overall, guys, I am very satisfied. I was a little bit nervous about fitment, about condition, but now I guarantee that the condition is very good and the fitment is also possible. I can additionally say that SLK55 uses two valves, two springs per valve, but my car and earlier 55 engines are equipped with one spring per valve, but also the people who know this very well compared to me argued that there will not be any problem. I am not going to change the timing on my car, and I'm going to make my car RPMs on the higher, so this will work with the stock springs and stock spring valves without any modification, with stock rocker arms. This is theory, but what we will get really in the practice, I will share you this, guys. Otherwise, once again, this was a little informational and a little let's all see review video of this new camshaft after the MTB headers and modifying my car's exhaust in full. I was highly motivated to make my engine breathe well, and I think the camshafts are the first way to go and choose. Once again, these are pure AMG camshafts from SLK55 AMG naturally aspirated engine from EVO engine, and I am going to install them on my 430 and then tell you what will be the final result. So stay tuned. I will install them very soon and show you the installation process itself, and also what will I need in additional, but I think that everything will be ok. So once again, stay tuned. If you like video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and catch you in the next episodes.